and began praying to him. Pleased with her devotion, Shiva promised to be born to her and relieve her as Anjana, the daughter of Rishi Gautam. Anjana was a devotee of Shiva of the curse. During King Dasaratha's yajna to beget, seared with a bowl of payasam sons, when the fire god, Agni, appeared to be fed to Dasaratha's 3 wives. Just then, an eagle swooped down and flew. It dropped the payasam over the spot where Anjana was praying to Shiva, away with some of it in its beak, hard, and made the payasam fall in her outstretched hands. Shiva, the god of winds, Pavana, blew hard. Soon, Shiva incarnated as a monkey. Anjana ate the payasam. Was born as Hanuman. Pavana became Hanuman's godfather. Because the wind held Pavanputra, or son of the wind, in making this possible, Hanuman is called. Hanuman asked his mother about his life ahead. With the birth of Hanuman, Anjana was released from the curse. Before she returned to heaven, Anjana lovingly assured him strength and the ability to fly, swim, that he would never die. Hanuman grew up and inherited his father's mighty swiftly. The birth of Hanuman is celebrated as Hanuman Jayanti. When Devaki and Vasudeva's 6th Sudeva and killed every child that was born to Devaki. Kansa had imprisoned his sister, Devaki, and Vasudeva's child was also killed by the wicked king, and began praying to Vishnu for help. Devaki was very upset, and one night, Vishnu appeared in Devaki's dream, a baby that was conceived in Devaki's womb. He told her that the child would not be killed by Kansa. Miraculously, Balarama was the elder brother of Krishna. Balarama was transferred to the womb of Rohini, Vasudev's 2nd wife. This baby was Balarama. Born also joined him later. He was named Rama but came to be known as Balarama, which means strong Rama, for Sridhara in July. This is where his younger brother Krishna, the 8th, in the village of Gokul, in the full moon month of his superior strength. Kansa had imprisoned Devaki and Vasudeva. Devaki prayed to Vishnu. He promised to be born as her child, of Lord Vishnu, on a stormy night on the 8th. Accordingly, Devaki gave birth to her 8th child, the 8th incarnation. Miraculously, the iron chains round Vasudeva's 8th day of the month of Shravana. Guards fell asleep and a voice said, "Take your child." Vasudeva opened the child to the safe arms of Nanda in Gokul. Vasudeva placed the baby and crossed the river Yamuna carrying the newborn on his head, a casket, and stealthily crept out of the prison. Amidst heavy rains, Vasudeva, Seshnaga, the king of snakes, placed himself behind Vasudeva and spread his hood covering them like an umbrella. Vasudeva crossed the river safely and reached the gates of Gokul. He would adopt a different form and come down on earth to save its people. Lord Vishnu once declared that whenever there is any danger on the earth, Hayagriva, a horse-headed demon, stole the holy Vedas from under Brahma's head. He then ran away and hid in the depths of the ocean. One day, when Brahma was sleeping, he was very disturbed and approached Vishnu for help. Vishnu took the form of a fish. Brahma had to read the holy books to create the universe. Since he was unable to do so and dived into the ocean to get back the Veda, there was a fierce from the terrible demon. Fierce fight between Vishnu and Hayagriva which went on to Brahma. Brahma was very thankful and was able to resume. Finally, Vishnu killed the demon and brought the holy books back and reading the Vedas. Vishnu in this fish form is called Matsya Avatar. Lord Shiva was furious and sent his bull, Nandi, to fight the boy, but Ganesha defeated Nandi. One day Parvati wanted to take a bath to enter while she bathed. She named the little boy Ganesha. Soon, Lord Shiva returned and was surprised to see Ganesha, but there was no one to guard her. So she created a young boy and asked him not to allow anyone to. In a fit of rage, Lord Shiva cut off Ganesha's head and saw her son dead. She was furious. When Parvati came out, Shiva tried to console her, stop crying her, but she couldn't. She ordered Shiva to. Shiva asked Nandi to bring him back to life, to bring the head of the first creature he found. Nandi turned with the head to obey his command and rid of an elephant. Lord Shiva placed the head of the elephant body and brought him back to on Ganesha's life.
Okay, let's go. Okay, wait. Hello? Abu brother, apple wrap. Okay. Follow me. Okay, wait. Hello? Abu brother, apple wrap. Okay. Follow me.